Hello children, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to write a short essay on the topic rainy season. So let's start. First we will write the topic of the essay, that is rainy season. Rainy season. So the first sentence is the rainy season is a beautiful season. And second line is it is also called monsoon season. And the third line is it comes after summer season. It comes after summer season. Number 4, it brings relief from the heat. It brings relief from the heat. It adds a lot of beauty to our environment. Now number 6, sometimes rainbow appears in the sky. And the 7th sentence is rainy season cleans our environment from pollution. So here is the short essay. The rainy season is a beautiful season. It is also called monsoon season. It comes after summer season. It brings relief from the heat. It adds a lot of beauty to our environment. Sometimes rainbow appears in the sky. Rainy season cleans our environment from pollution. I hope it will be helpful to you. So we will meet in our next video with another interesting topic. Till then, bye bye.